Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bumi and this is Tibumi's Living. Today we are gonna cook black-eyed beans the Mediterranean style. If you are a Nigerian, I'm sure you haven't tried this method before, so I'm really happy to show you a different way of cooking black-eyed beans, which is very tasty. You know that black-eyed beans is very rich in iron and is a very good source of fiber, which aids your digestion, and it also is good source of protein as well as energy. So I'll go ahead to show you now this style of cooking black-eyed beans the Mediterranean way. If you have not subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button right now to subscribe to my channel and the bell notification sign so that you'll be notified next time that I upload a new video.
So for 2 people, I measured 2 cups of black-eyed beans and checked for stones and chaff and removed them. When I cook beans, I always soak in boiling water and cover for about 2 hours or overnight to allow gas to escape and any pesticides used in preserving the beans to be washed out. Here is green leaves rich in fiber and iron. You can use also spinach if you like.
The black-eyed beans is ready for washing and it's already swollen and a lot of the gas have escaped. So we pour it and wash it very well in clean water. Rinse it second time. Get a pressure pot and put some water. So we see the level of the water just covering it up to here. I use the pressure pot because it's faster than cooking it for hours and hours, just in an ordinary pot. So with the pressure pot, it took just 15 minutes to be ready. As you can see, the beans are already soft. But be careful as you open the pressure pot. It's better to leave it to cool off before you open it. So now I'm going to transfer it into another pot. And this is when I add the green leaves. So here we go. This is the last process and it won't take much time and it will be ready. And salt to taste. This is going to take very little time remaining to be ready, just for the green leaves to cook a little. So guys, we cover it, leave it to boil. Here it is. With the green leaves and the beans, you have double nourishment. So this recipe is packed full of healthy nutrients, no cholesterol, you have vitamins and iron. So we're done with the cooking for now. We leave it to cool and then we dress it for the table. And here we squeeze lemon juice. Half lemon juice, and olive oil. So that's it guys. Here we have our delicious black-eyed beans with green leaves, garnished with lemon and olive oil. Very simple recipe, but the taste is in the eating. Really yummy. So try it and let me know how yours tastes. Leave your comments in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.